Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about fried chicken. I have mac and cheese, I have potato bake, and then I have a coleslaw. But I have chicken. It's country fried chicken, they said. Anyway. So guys, gotta get in and eat. I have Ribena today. When my children were younger, I used to, get them to drink Ribena because in New Zealand it was like considered a really healthy drink for kids. Cheers guys. Not too bad too. I always like the flavour. Anyway, I just want to put me some tomato sauce here in case I want some. Probably will. And I'll try the chicken wing first. They're not very big chicken wings. Anyway, this show goes. So, I don't know. We went out to lunch yesterday for Mother's Day. Had my cousin and his wife and their son join us. That was really good. Tasty. I like the taste of the chicken. They say it's a country fried. So I don't know if they get it also already mixed in the flavours, or they do it themselves. But it tastes pretty good. I got a coleslaw from the shop as well, but I wish I had some like sultana, no raisin. Same thing, but raisin. I wish I had some raisin in here. One thing I like is sweet mayonnaise. Sometimes I like to eat this. Yeah, that's enough. If I was by myself, I would chew on it, But I know you don't want to watch me chewing on a chicken wing for ages. Alright, so good. So how was everyone's Mother's Day? How was your Mother's Day? If you're a mother, did you feel the love? Not that kind of love. Shh. No. No. Stop it. Anyway, did you guys all feel love for Mother's Day? I got my daughter. She got me her name is Hope. Got me a nice bunch of flowers over here. And I got now flowers and chocolates. Yeah, so appreciate that they took the time to show some love. Hang on, I'll try this potato and see how it is. Oh yeah. It doesn't look all that, but it tastes okay. It's just the timing sometimes, but I'd rather make my own stuff. But yeah, it's got a nice, you know, like some food you gotta like chew it before you think, oh yeah, that's nice. Some you just put in your mouth, oh la la, oh. Anyway, we went to this steakhouse to have lunch with my cousins and my mom and our partners, me and my sister's partners, and we had some steak. I had a T-bone steak. Oh, it was cooked really nice. So you can cook it yourself, or you can get them to cook it. I'm happy I got them to cook it, because my husband had gone to cook it, or me. Oh. I'll come back as cardboard. But I asked for medium well done, and it comes and it's just cooked. Got the slight pink. It can't be pink, red. Oh, scary. Nice coleslaw. I went over to Old Rudy Hill, the other side of Rudy Hill, over the bridge. So if you live locally, you know what I'm talking about. And they sell these chicken. If you go there, it's been sitting for a while, then too bad. But if you go there and they're fresh, you've just made it. And I think I got the in between. Yeah, now you can see my chicken. Yes, I was good catch up with my cousins yesterday. Thank you, Leo, Rashida, and Jeff for coming up with us. You must be. I make sure it's big, so you can eat things faster. This bit of the bone, I love it. It was nice seeing my cousin yesterday and his wife. He's got a very nice wife. I like that. Yeah, when you have in-laws, when you have in-laws, right, and they're good, that's a bonus to your family. My mum always said, you know, when you have your in-laws, they are a bonus to your family, you know. Not, that's why I don't understand why some people, like they fight with their in-laws and you know, really have hatred, you know, for their in-laws. But hey, I'm not there to know the story, but my in-laws, my husband's side, I get along with them really good. I care for them, they care for me, that's good, you know. Yeah. There's two I'm really close with. One that passed away, unfortunately. And that was Tani. Yeah. And then I have another good sister-in-law. Her name is, everyone calls her Auntie Nga. Yeah, I call her my sis. And then my husband's only sister. Her name is Jackie. She's very, very motherly-like, you know. Really, when my husband says, that's his favourite sister. And I said to him, you only got one sister. And he said, yeah, I know. But if I had other sisters, I'm sure she'll still be my favourite. Who's your favourite sister? Or who's your favourite brother? I have a brother. I have 3 brothers, right? I have one that lives in New Zealand. He's very, very, really understanding. Yeah, he's really understanding. Him and I, when we were growing up, he would always help me out, you know. Help me out in anything. You know, we're really close and we used to talk about anything. He used to tell me about his problems and I'll tell him a bit of mine, but not all of it because I'm a bit of a rebel and he's not. I don't want my brother to know my rebel side. Well, there was one time I was outside. I was a teenager and my mum was giving me a headache. Yeah, when you're a teenager you think you know it all and if you're bookworm and don't want to listen to your folks, well, that was me. I forgot how old I was, 14, 15, I don't know. But anyway, my mum was just restricting me of everything, you know, everything. She was just restricting me, you know, and I didn't want to listen. Naughty, bad example, don't listen to it. Don't do this at home. Anyway, but, and she was trying to catch me. She was trying to get my brother to come outside and catch me, right? But my brother's not like that. You know, he's like more softy, you know. Like, so he got in his car and he was reversing. And he called me and he said, come for a ride. I thought, oh no. This is a trick. When I get in that car, you're going to hold me and then you're going to drive back into the driveway and then my parents going to come out, my mom, and beat me up. So I said no. But when he drove off and he said, oh, hey, don't be upset, okay? Don't cry. You know, just go inside and, oh. I felt loved. The lady inside that was trying to restrict me, she loved me. She still does. And she was just, you know, just trying to stop me from all my badness, my rebelness, my hula vale, my fiakaya, my kailo. I'm just what I call it. Over the fear, leo sikai. Feel si no makuan. I'm so eat, can I have some milk? Especially when I've already, no, this is what upsets me. When I've already made plans with my friends, and I go, yeah, I'll be there. Like excuse me, did you ask permission of your parents? No, I didn't. Anyway, so I go to my friends. Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there. What time again? So they'll say what time, and I want to go. So I'm really determined to go. So I go and pick out the clothes that I might wear, and so I think to myself, okay, let me just ask my mother. Let me just ask if I can go. Straight away was, yeah, ik fair? That's the question. Yeah. Moet is so in the book. Eh? Le ai mas se me fa penga. Fa penga fiaru. Moi pi. Yeah. And then I think, right. How can I escape? How can I escape out of this house? And I said, I asked permission. And she didn't even want to trust me. We only going to hang out with this other Samoan friend of ours. Her name is Pile. Okay? We call it Pile, but her name is Bele. You know how your name is something else, but you pronounce it another way? Anyway, Pile. That's her name. So we're going to go there. She had bought this album, Michael Jackson. So we're going to go there. We're going to dance. You know, if you dance, anyway. Hey, Pile's parents always work. I'm lagging her quite late. But her mum was cool, you know. We were able to go there anytime we wanted, you know. Anyway, so we had planned this exciting evening with each other, dancing, blah, blah, blah. You know, the little fun stuff girls get up to. But my mum said no. So, I was determined. First I done this, I thought I'll stomp my foot. She'll hear about it, Stop. And then I hear, if you have mga okalaku ka, ah? And I think, oh, okay, that ain't gonna work. So, I tried everything out. And the more I was doing, the more she was, I was saying, nah, I'm going. So I go to the backyard and I could hear her. So, she's screaming, Zoe, whakario. So I go around the front. And she's calling me, she's warning me. Yeah, if you go, don't ever come back. You know? I sat down with my ear. And then I was saying, I don't think Pile's parents would want me to live there. And she goes, hey, I'll make my game up. I said, what? Okay, I better put on my athletic running shoes. I don't have a running shoes. I just have Nomads back then. And she goes, oh, mate, no, put my on, mate. So, I ran away by the gate. So when I see her, I'm bolting. And then my brother reversed the car. And I thought, see, look how he's going to come and catch me. Traitor. But no, he was coming to leave. He was coming to leave go somewhere. And I think he wanted me to go along with him, just to cool me down, calm me down, you know, stuff like that. And then after that, talk to me to behave myself and stuff like that, you know, brotherly advice. But I didn't trust him, so I was scared. I was thinking, oh, no, I'm going to get in trouble, get a hiding. But when you think about it, see, yeah, you're only scared to get a hiding because you should have listened. Hey. But when you're a teenager, you don't know those things. To you, it's like, you just want to be free. There's teenagers that don't want that kind of life. They want to stay, listen to their music, do their homework. Not me. I was more the ka'awa. The ka teenager. You know, I didn't end up going. I went home inside. And I thought, I'm not going to talk to my mother ever again. Very many pape keri. I was a pape e ke ku se mea. Leva ya ko le alofa ya oi. Alofa. You know, like that. Anyway, but she's right. She's right. I tell you what, man, I was such a naughty girl when I was a little kid. When I was a teenager, that was the worst time. My poor parents, you know, they never got it from the boys. It was from me and my other sister. But you know what? She's really, really naughty. My sister that I'm talking about. But she's not like, my parents will say something and I'll answer back. I'm just like my daughter Chiloa. Answer back, not because I'm trying to get cheeky. Answer back because I want to explain something. But they shut up. Salapu. Salapu, you don't know. You know, so I'm trying to voice. But I think if my mum did that a bit more. She knew from the time I was little, even when in Samoa, my parents would look for me. I'm in the neighbourhood's houses, you know. I'm doing things that I'm not supposed to be doing, like helping myself with this, touching that. It's just the way I am. I just want to know, what is this? What is that, you know? And it didn't help much when my dad would go, yeah, good girl, yeah, leg, get it off, finger, and you know, right? And I think, oh, and here's my poor mum going, sorry, it's a oh gosh, anyway. Only an island family will understand. Oh my gosh, no. I had a Lebanese neighbours, and they would do exactly the same thing, you know, because when they get hidings, they'll come and tell my kids. And it's like, maybe they compare notes, like, oh my gosh, my mum does that too. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that'll fight. But you know what was odd? I was the naughtiest of all the kids. Probably worse than my sister in Melbourne. But when I grew up, right, my parents, they always opted to want to live with me. Hello. Excuse you. Wouldn't you want to run away and go somewhere else and stay with the other kids? Yeah. They always wanted to come and live with me. Not my parents. That's why for me, looking after my mum, you know, is a good thing. Because my mum never turned her back on any of us. Ever. I remember she got so frustrated with me one time and she kicked me out. I'm gonna laugh about it now. Hi. Hey, look at this t-shirt. What does it say? I might be wrong, but it's highly unlikely. Anyway, that's it. Okay, I was wrong, and I was very likely to be wrong that time when I was being naughty to my parents. How dare I do that? Okay, guys, I'll see you guys later, okay? I've got some shout-outs coming up, and it's the page is like this. Okay, so thank you guys for joining me today and listening to my rebel story. Please don't be like me, okay? Listen to your parents. All they want for us is, you know, goodness. They want us to succeed in life in this big, big world. We have to do our best because later on, our parents move on and it's only us to deal with life. That is the only reason. They only want the best for us. Okay? So if you're a teenager and you're watching and you're starting to play up on your parents, just think about the future. That's all. Okay? Yeah. And don't forget, do your prayers. Okay, guys? Good morning, guys. Happy Mother's Day for everyone. Today is Sunday and it's Mother's Day and we're here at the steakhouse waiting for everyone to turn up so we can have, you know, lunch. I won't be like, oh yeah, I'll be filming inside, but there's music, you know, for copyright, so I'll probably have to put music over whatever we're talking about, okay guys? So I'm just letting you guys know. But anyway, come, let's go inside.